In this lecture, we'll take an imaginary journey to explore the speed of light. That is about 299,792 kilometers. That's almost 300,000 kilometers in just 1 second. At that speed, light can travel around the Earth more than 7 times in a single second. According to Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, nothing with mass can ever reach the speed of light. Because, as an object with mass moves faster, it needs more and more energy to keep speeding up. At the speed of light, it would need infinite energy. And that is simply not possible with our current understanding of physics. But just for fun, let's imagine that you could travel at the speed of light. The first strange effect you would notice is called time dilation. At light speed, time would completely stop for you. You would no longer experience the passing of time. From your point of view, everything around you would freeze. But from the outside, to people watching you, it would look like you've stopped moving through time. You would notice a weird effect called length contraction. This means that as you move faster, the space in front of you starts to shrink. At the speed of light, the universe in front of you would look like it's been flattened. Now let's talk about light itself. What would you actually see with your eyes? When you move toward a source of light, the light waves get squished together. This is called the Doppler effect. It's the same thing that happens when an ambulance drives past you and its siren changes pitch. But at the speed of light, the Doppler effect becomes extreme. All the light in front of you would shift toward the blue and ultraviolet parts of the spectrum. This is called blue shift. The light would become so intense, it would turn into dangerous forms, like X-rays or even gamma rays. Behind you, the light would stretch out into longer wavelengths. This is called red shift. The light would shift so far that it would become invisible. You wouldn't be able to see anything behind you. Another strange effect is called stellar aberration. This happens because of how fast you are moving. As you approach light speed, all the stars around you would appear to move toward the front of your view. It would look like you are flying through a tunnel of stars, with everything coming toward you from a single point ahead. The night sky would no longer look wide and full of stars. Instead, all the light would bunch up in front of you like you are staring into a bright, glowing beam. But here's the really wild part. Our eyes can only see a small part of the light spectrum called visible light. At the speed of light, most of the light around you would shift out of that range. The visible world would disappear. You might see one bright flash, and then darkness. Everything would become invisible because your eyes wouldn't be able to process the intense radiation. You'd be surrounded by energy, but unable to see it. So what would happen to you if you somehow reached the speed of light? In reality, the results would be deadly. You would need infinite energy just to get there. Your mass would become infinite too. You would be crushed under your own energy. And the intense radiation in front of you would destroy your body instantly. It's not a place humans are meant to go. But if we keep imagining, let's pretend you could survive. From your point of view, something very strange happens. You wouldn't experience space or time in the way we know them. Photons, particles of light, don't experience time at all. A photon might travel from a distant star to your eye, but for the photon, that journey happens instantly. There is no time or distance. Can anything go faster than light? According to everything we know today, the answer is no. The speed of light is the ultimate limit. But there are some strange ideas in science that suggest exceptions. Some scientists have imagined particles called tachyons. These are hypothetical particles that always move faster than light. But we've never found any. Others look at quantum entanglement, where two particles seem to affect each other instantly, no matter how far apart they are. And then there's the idea of warp drives, bending or folding space instead of moving through it. These are fun ideas. But for now, they remain science fiction. In the end, what we would see at the speed of light is not just a cool special effect. It's a complete breakdown of how we understand space and time. Time stops, distances disappear, light becomes deadly, the stars stretch into a tunnel, and the visible universe vanishes. It reminds us just how strange and beautiful the universe really is. Light speed is more than just fast. It's a limit, a boundary, a mystery. We may never reach it, but thinking about it helps us learn more about the universe and the rules that govern it. Thank you for watching this journey through the speed of light. If you enjoyed this lecture, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.